Hey everyone, it's Leigh Goldstein, the trading director at 10 Minute Trades, and I want to welcome you to this week's Trade of the Week. So let me show you what took place in the trade room. Australia CPI was awesome. We put our orders on the chart. It's been trading very well for the past year. It explodes to the upside for an instant, $200 in profit, literally in a matter of seconds. It took place so fast, I'd like to show it to you again, which is often what we have to do on our trade of the weeks. We had a new entry time a tiny bit later, just a second. Our orders are placed on the chart. Australia's CPI, an inflationary report, it explodes to the upside. $200 profit in 1 second. Let me show you the screenshot. An excellent, excellent trade. There's the profit right there. 200 bucks in a second. A nice trade of the week, Australia CPI. Love to see you in the trade room next week. Tons of events. Australia, ECB refi rate, Bank of England, FOMC statement, earnings, Apple, Amazon, tons of events. ADP. Can't wait to see you in the trade room, folks. Have a great weekend. This week's Trade of the Week, Australia CPI.